senador, no, not senador, but mga LGUs po hanggang governor, from Kagawad to the governor. Have you already cascaded or memorandum to inform everybody, ilang libo po yan, na meron po tayong instructions pa lang naman, it's not a law yet, base po din sa GAA 2026 na bawal na po ang political involvement, lalo na po sa distribution. Have you done that, Mr. DILG?
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, gusto ko lang i-pursue yung kaninang kwento ni Dr. Albert na hindi siya na-accommodate ng DSWD. Because I was going through the various proposals. Ang requirement, but ang para ma-trigger yung AX, kailangan nasa isang crisis ka, diba? Regardless of your status or income class. In your case, bakit hindi kayo na-accommodate? I think that is a something. This is a reality on the ground, no, na meron kayong crisis, health crisis in particular, and you're encountering a severe condition in your body that prohibits you to perform your work on a normal basis or day-to-day basis. So bakit hindi kayo na-accommodate? Out of curiosity, and is there something wrong with the policy?
Thank you very much, Senator Win, for that question. Even up to now, I'm also wondering why exactly I was not helped. No, when that happened to me, of course, my concern was really trying to get treated. I had a runner to try to go around the government agencies asking for help from various agencies, and because it was still partly the onset of the pandemic, my understanding was when I was the main help would be once I'm going to get treated in the hospital, but I don't know how true. What was informed to my runner was that I was in a private room and therefore classified somehow, I don't know where, na parang hindi naman daw ako in much need. Sabi ko, kaya naman ako nag-private room kasi gusto kong gumaling na mabilis, kasi usually pag marami kang kasama, tapos pandemic, di lalo pa, baka magkasakit ako, mamatay pa ako sa ano. That was what I was thinking of. But as I said, up to now, I had not gotten any written, even that concept of why I was not helped. I was not given any written document. It was just relayed to me verbally by my runner when he was talking with somebody from the staff. But I don't know how true. So whether this was just an excuse, o baka sa dami ng tinutulungan at that time, kulang sa budget, yun yung nagiging issue ko to Senator Win. So parang baka sa sobrang daming nanghihingi, baka nahirapan rin to identify sinong unang tutulungan. So kaya dapat pag-isipan rin natin ng gusto as we go on institutionalization, that there needs to be some continuing oversight on the part of Congress to make sure that we are going to be helping especially those in need of assistance.
Sen Sherwin, let me just in fairness to the former administration of the DSWD, kasi when I took over, it was Secretary Bautista who was there. And the explanation was maraming hindi po natulungan because we're coming out of pandemic. Sagad-sagad po yung budget, marami pong pinabibigyan ang dating Pangulong Duterte, talagang said na said ang DSWD. So, maraming lumalapit, ang daming binigyan. Bukod pa po doon sa nilaan po na pondo, emergency cash transfer ng Congress and Senate na inaprubahan, ilang billions po yun, but it wasn't sufficient. So ang naging explanation sa akin ni Secretary Bautista that time was like, yung poorest of the poor na munang inuna nila. So pero there should be an explanation nga naman. I agree, Senator.
Mr. Chair, I'm not looking for someone to blame. It's just may policy gaps na we need to plug, kasi pinag-uusapan natin batas na